All right. As you can see, I got the timing belt on there. You see the sprocket still got the timing mark where it need to be. This is where it still need to be. So there's the water pump, tensioner pulley, bolted down, pin pulled out. So I'm ready to put it back together, put the cover back on it, the plate. You know, all I got now is the thermostat. So I'm about to put that on, put the plate and stuff on it, the covers and stuff on there, and I'll probably finish off the rest of it tomorrow morning. But I want to get the thermostat in, two more little things on it, and shit, that's it. Put this thing back together. What I was gonna say too, you're gonna need two people when you do the belt. Why? Because you're gonna want to put the belt, you want to put the water pump in, you're gonna want to put the this pulley on, put the pulley in, but don't tighten it all the way, put it in, snug it a little bit where this can swivel. And then you put the tension on last, because you're going to want to have someone hold the bottom belt on the sprocket, route it up here around the water pump, route it around the camshaft, sprocket. Then someone need to put the belt around here. You have someone holding this at the top while you at the bottom, and you bolt the tension in there, because it's a bolt down at the bottom right here and a bolt somewhere back up in here. You want to put this on last, but you want to get the belt around everything, then put the tensioner pulley on, then you put the tensioner in last, because you ain't gonna be able to fit that belt around it if you got everything on there together. It's gonna be hard trying to stretch that belt around it. That's the way you need to do it. I would have had the camera showing you that, but I'm just telling you how to do it simple. If you know how to do a timing belt, if you're gonna attempt this, then you already know exactly where I'm going from with this. All right, peace out.